contestants from Jamaica, Andrew Usain Bolt. From Sweden, the lovely Christina. From Dominican Republic, Penina. From France, Samuel de France, Viva la France. And Noah, from the land down under Australia. Welcome your contestants for the ultimate goal today. On your mark. Sit. Wait a sec. Distraction number one. Oh, it's the Beloved! They're coming with their event. I wonder who they will take.
Don't just stand there on the wall. Everybody just move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body. Everybody want you move your body. Everybody want you move your body. Everybody, I wanna be my sexy lady. I wanna let it out.
The first casualty, Australia. We have 4 contestants left. It should be a smooth from here to the end. Wait a sec. Distraction number 2. Oh, the big guns. Drugs and alcohol. Oh, they're discussing their game plan.
When the pimp's in the crib, mom, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Kids try to get at you. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Get an attitude. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm poor best. Cause I got it going on. I'm a nice dude with some nice dreams. See these ice cubes, see these ice creams. Eligible bachelor, $1 million bowl. That's whiter than what's in your throat. The phantom, exterior like fish eggs.
I wonder who they're going to take.
It's rare, I can exercise you. This could be your first head. Cheat on your man.
Oh, I think they found one. Is she going to take the bait? No, she's not. Wait a sec.
So don't try to run up on my ear talking.
Oh, stop it. There's our contestant.
Take a second. Matter of fact,
Oh,
you should take 4 lead and keep it from the
Dominican Republic is now gone. 3 contestants left. They're going strong. I don't think anyone can get in there. Section number 3. The opposite sex. Yes, the opposite sex. Why not wrong? The very Oh, they're going strong. Jamaica and Puerto Rico are still going strong. They're going strong. Wait a sec. Oh no, the worst of them all. Gangsters and violence.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying to chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta know. As they grow, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G your little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
To win the race, Jamaica's gone.
Situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the street, so I gotta be down with the hood.
Still, one contestant left. One contestant left. Let's see if the moves work for her, like they did on Andrew. Oh, out of the way. Still going strong. himself. Lord, I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Jesus replies, well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful with a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's happiness.